A nigga turn it back, when they turn it back. But a nigga turn it back, when they come right back. And I'm still doing better, and when is that? And you still on your ass, man, that shit can't wait. Hey, 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 hey. $1 million deals, boy, I'm in the hills. If they head good, I'ma fuck for real. Hey, hey, I'ma fuck for real, fuck for real. Call my deal Leo, tell him what's the deal. If you ain't talking mills, we can't meet for real. But if you got the mills, I'ma plug for real. Yeah, yeah, I'm in a fast car, they call it Formula 1. I got a bad girl, shit, she like a gun. And I got a big clip, she say low one. And I just got it done, say I'm coming, huh? And I'm coming, huh? Yeah, I'm coming, huh? I got so many, huh? Now they call them scunners. Got them scunners, my dog is stunner. When we done that band count, they got a stunner. Ay, fucking on they hoes, yeah, we fuck they hoes. Yeah, we gon' score, yeah, we gotta score. Where the fucking guitar? Hey, hey. Niggas count me out, bet they come back out. Niggas count me out, bet they come back out. I'm still in Miami with a big ass house. Got all these fucking cars, I'ma come back out. Hey, nigga count me out, bet they come back out. Bought them whole chains out, now they suck me out. Hey, same hoes used to call me out. Now them hoes be them fans when I sub it out. Hey, oh, we're hating though. You to talk about my face, but I was saying though. Hey, hey, hey. Quick to give a bitch an eviction notice. Bitch, I'm the shit, hope you get the notice. Fucking on your friend, yeah, she get the notice. Yeah, she got a check, yeah, I get the notice. Hey, I'm a dog though. Hey, better shoot for the moon, baby. If you land on the star, you gon' boom, baby. Ay, I'ma own fuck you to a June, baby. Never start training cameras in my room, baby. Ay. Got the hold up. Hey, you gon' have to just fuck on my nigga Leo. He gon' tell me all about that Tito. Hey, if it's good, I'ma put some zero. Ay. Sit the stiffer hold like a nigga Steve. Hey, I got a stiffer on. That's my weapon though. Hey, offhand weapon for the most weapon though. Hey, once a nigga count me out, bet they come back out. Same hoes I used to fuck, now they suck me out. Hey.